It's a mix of American Pickers and Hoarders.
Organized hoarders.
In that they have a ton of stuff, but the majority of that stuff is really cool.
They just have a lot of collection, years and years and years of collections.
I got no guitar, won't ever stay in tune.
And I said, well, you better build another wall, because I'm out. I buy a lot of stuff to sell to make money on.
Right.
And
And she says,
you're
no,
gonna keep that.
you're gonna keep that. Okay.
Well, I can work all day, and I can dance all night. I got an old used car, and it runs just like a top.
That old 47 panel truck over there underneath the windmill. I come home one night and it was sitting in the yard. I said, Nancy, where'd that come from?
Stuff that works, stuff that holds up.
She said, well, I bought it today.
Kind of stuff
I said, what for? She said, because it looks good underneath the windmill.
How many acres?
We did have 22, we're down to 7.
How many buildings on 7 acres?
One,
About
two,
8.
About 8, yeah.
We had one when we bought the place.
How many cars or vehicles?
License 6, total cars 30,
Huh?
counting the 29.
You can't count those, they're not on the property.
Oh, they're not on our property.
stuff that works, stuff that holds up.
How many signs?
Probably 700.
Yeah, at least.
The kind of stuff you reach for when you fall.
What's your favorite piece of collectible stuff that you have?
Mine, it's family, what I inherited from the family. Jewelry and signs. My parents had a grocery store. I had the butcher block out of the grocery store.
Mine's a big arrow with 92 light bulbs in it to blink on and off, and it says Blue Rose Motel.
I got a woman I love, she's crazy and paints like God. She's got a playground sense of justice, she won't take odds.
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
great.
she said I've always wanted to get married here, so that's all she had to say. It was whatever she wanted.
She's a great girl and got a great husband. I had tears in my eyes.
Stephen, you may kiss your bride.
Stuff that works, stuff that holds up. The kind of stuff you don't hang on the wall. Stuff that's real, stuff you feel. The kind of stuff you reach for when you fall. Stuff that works.
My son got married here in, what year?
2005.
2005.
That's the only one.
This is the second wedding.
Yeah, and my grandson, which is 22,
Yeah.
he said, when I get married here for long, he said, I'm gonna get married out here too. And I said, okay, but that's the last one.
Stuff you